Hi viewers, it's nice to see you again in this episode, and I hope all of you are always fine. In episode 35, I've explained gerund sentence, and in the episode 36, I would like to explain gerund in passive sentence. Do you know what's the difference between the two subjects? Okay, now let's see the explanation on the next screen. Viewers, mari kita lihat bersama-sama di layar ini. Topik kita kali ini adalah gerund in passive sentence. Di episode 35 saya telah menjelaskan mengenai gerund dalam kalimat aktif. Berbeda halnya dengan gerund yang digunakan dalam kalimat pasif, yaitu dengan menambahkan ing di belakang be menjadi being. Kita tahu bahwa kata kerja pasif polanya adalah to be diikuti dengan past participle atau kata kerja bentuk ketiga, sehingga yang ditambah ing bukan di kata kerjanya namun di be menjadi being. Kata kerja tetap past participle atau kata kerja bentuk ketiga. Sama halnya dengan gerund kalimat aktif, dapat digunakan satu sebagai subjek, dua sebagai objek, tiga setelah preposisi atau kata depan, empat setelah kata kerja atau verba tertentu, dan lima setelah idiomatic phrase atau frase idiom. Mari kita perhatikan kalimat berikut. Being disappointed by someone is annoying. Dikecewakan oleh seseorang sangat menjengkelkan. Dua, I hate being disappointed by anyone. Saya tidak suka dikecewakan oleh seseorang. Tiga, did you come here for being interviewed? Apakah kamu datang kemari untuk diinterview? Nomor 4, he is afraid of being arrested by police. Dia takut ditangkap oleh polisi. 5, she likes being treated to have meal in a restaurant. Dia suka ditraktir makan di restoran. 6, everyone hates being disappointed. Setiap orang tidak senang atau benci dikecewakan. 7, she's fond of being loved by a foreigner. Dia senang dicintai oleh orang asing. 8, having been elected to be a leader, he is entitled to manage the company. Setelah dipilih menjadi seorang pemimpin, dia berhak memanage perusahaan itu. Mari kita perhatikan gerund dalam kalimat pasif yang ditambah ing hanya being-nya saja. Kata kerja semua menggunakan kata kerja bentuk ketiga. Setelah memperhatikan beberapa kalimat sebelumnya, dapat disimpulkan bahwa pola gerund dalam kalimat pasif sebagai berikut. Passive gerund being diikuti dengan verb 3 atau past participle. Perfective passive gerund atau yang mengandung unsur tense perfect, maka polanya having been diikuti dengan verb 3, verb 3 atau past participle. Fungsi pertama passive gerund sebagai subjek. 1. Being disappointed by anyone is annoying. Dikecewakan seseorang menjengkelkan. 2. Being involved in the competition makes me happy. dilibatkan dalam kompetisi membuat saya gembira. 3. Being treated to have meal at a restaurant is enjoyable. Diajak atau ditraktir makan di rumah makan menyenangkan. 4. Being promoted to be a manager, my father feels very happy. Dipromosikan sebagai seorang manajer, ayahku merasa sangat gembira. 5. Being loved by a beautiful lady makes me happy. Dicintai oleh gadis cantik membuat saya gembira. 6. Being elected by most people in general election, he will be a governor. Dipilih oleh banyak orang di dalam pemilihan umum, dia akan menjadi seorang gubernur. 7. Being supported by government, lecturers can improve their education better. Dibantu oleh pemerintah, para dosen dapat meningkatkan pendidikan mereka lebih baik. 8. Having been fixed by the mechanic, this car can run well now. Setelah diperbaiki oleh mekanik, mobil ini dapat lari dengan baik sekarang. Fungsi kedua, passive gerund sebagai objek. 1. I'm coming here for being interviewed by the manager. Saya datang kemari untuk diinterview oleh seorang manajer. 2. She's accepted in the school for being registered as a new student. Dia diterima di sekolah ini untuk didaftarkan menjadi murid baru. 3. Do you like being involved in the committee? Apakah kamu suka dilibatkan dalam kepanitiaan itu? 4. I look forward being accepted as an officer in this company. Saya berharap diterima sebagai pegawai di perusahaan ini. 5. They mind being involved in the meeting. Mereka keberatan dilibatkan dalam pertemuan ini. 6. We avoid being pointed to be witnesses of the case. Kami menghindari ditunjuk untuk menjadi saksi dalam kasus ini. Nomor 7. The man gave me some money because of having been told the address he was looking for. Orang itu memberi saya uang karena telah diberitahu alamat yang sedang dia cari. Fungsi ketiga, passive gerund setelah preposisi atau kata depan. Nomor 1, she is afraid of being trapped in human trafficking. Dia takut terjebak dalam perdagangan manusia. Nomor 2, you must come shortly after being called by our boss. Kamu harus segera datang sesaat setelah ditelepon oleh bos kita. 3, the teacher is waiting for being asked about the license by students. Guru itu sedang menunggu ditanya mengenai pelajaran itu oleh murid-murid. 4, do you mind for being interviewed? Apakah kamu keberatan untuk diinterview? 5, I give you money for being used to buy useful things. Saya memberi kamu uang untuk dibelikan sesuatu yang penting. 6, they share videos for being subscribed. Mereka membagikan video untuk di-subscribe. Nomor 7, the driver called me to come shortly after having been told by his boss. Sopir itu menelpon saya untuk datang sesaat setelah diberitahu oleh bosnya. Fungsi keempat, passive gerund setelah kata kerja atau perbuatan tertentu. Nomor 1, children like being loved by their parents. Anak-anak senang disayangi oleh orang tua mereka. 2, do they mind being asked about the case? Apakah mereka keberatan ditanya mengenai kasus itu? 3, when will you begin being tested for the last requirement of a new worker acceptance? Apakah kamu mulai diuji Untuk persyaratan terakhir penerimaan pekerja baru, 4. She never minds being reminded not to do such the things. Dia tidak pernah keberatan untuk diingatkan tidak melakukan hal-hal seperti itu. 5. Never give up being given hard work to do. Jangan pernah menyerah diberi pekerjaan yang berat untuk dilakukan. 6. The students in this class like being taught English by Mr. George because he is very funny. Murid-murid di kelas ini suka diajar bahasa Inggris oleh Tuan George karena dia lucu. 7. Students appreciate their teacher's abilities since having been taught by him. Murid-murid mengakui kemampuan guru itu setelah diajar olehnya. Well, viewers, now you're on the exercise. Combine pair of the following sentences using passive gerund. Number 1. I don't like him. I'm disappointed by him. What is the combining sentence on number 1? Okay, I don't like being disappointed by him. Number 2, the car has been fixed by the mechanic. It doesn't have any trouble to run in long distance. What's the combining sentence on number 2? Alright, being fixed by the mechanic, the car does not have any trouble to run in long distance. Number 3, we are waiting for the manager. We will be interviewed by him. What's the combining sentence on number 3? Alright, we are waiting for being interviewed by the manager. Number 4, she likes English. Foreigners take her to speak English with them. What's the combining sentence on number 4? Alright, she likes being taken to speak English with foreigners. Number 5, the house looks beautiful. It has been renovated twice. What's the combining sentence on number 5? It's okay. Having been renovated twice, the house looks beautiful. Number 6, I have sent a message via email. I look forward to hearing your answer. What's the combining sentence on number 6? Alright. Having been sent a message via email, I look forward to hearing your answer. Number 7, I was called by him in the early morning. I didn't mind if necessary. What's the combining sentence on number 7? Okay. I didn't mind being called by him in the early morning if necessary. Number 8. She is arrested by the police. She regrets it. What's the combining sentence on number 8? Alright, she regrets being arrested by the police. Number 9, you will be interviewed by the man. Do you mind it? What's the commanding sentence on number 9? Okay. Do you mind being interviewed by the man? 10. They enjoyed the trip. They were taken to make a trip. What's the commanding sentence on number 10? Alright. They enjoyed being taken to make a trip. Well, viewers, I think you understand well about gerund in passive sentence. Thank you very much for your attention and see you on the next episode. Bye bye.